Today class is chapter 2, Embryology and Fetal Development. Embryology is study of embryo. Now we can see about fertilization. Fertilization means fusion of ovum and sperm is called as fertilization. Its form zygote. It's a diploid cell, sperm and ovum. Ovum is female gametes, sperm is male gametes. The ovum, which is about 0.15 mm diameter, passes into the uterine tubes or fallopian tubes, moves towards forward uterus after ovulation. After ovulation means ovum released from ovary, that is called as ovulation. After ovulation, the ovum passes through fallopian tube to uterus. At this time, the cervix, under the influence of estrogen, secrete the flow of algaline. These algaline attract the sperm. At the time of intercourse, 60 to 120 million sperm are deposited into the posterior fornix of the vagina. One matured sperm penetrates the ovum, remaining sperm destroyed by the acid medium of vagina. Only one sperm enters into the ovum. The nuclei of two cells is called as zygote. Two cells formation of two cells, that is called as zygote. These fertilizations occur within 24 hours. This is about fertilization. Now we can see about development of fertilized ovum. Development of fertilized ovum occur 9 stages. First one, fertilization. Second one, cleavage. Third, morula. Fourth one, blastocyst formation. Fifth one, implantation. Sixth one, gastrulation. Seventh, organogenesis. Eighth, fetal development. Ninth, birth. First, we can see about fertilization. Fusion of sperm and ovum, it is called as fertilization. It's formation of diploid cell, that is called as zygote. Zygote have 46 chromosomes. These fertilizations occur in the ambula of the fallopian tube. Next, cleavage. Cleavage is nothing but dividing or brokens. Rapid meiotic divisions without increase in the size. The cells divided into 2, 4 cells, 8 cells, 16, 32 cells. It is called as cleavage. Next, morula. Morula is a solid ball, 16 to 32 cells formation. This like structure is mulberry-like structure. Enters into the uterus. Morula enters into the uterus. Next, blastocyst formation. Morula develops a cavity. That means the thin layer forms the morula. That is called as blastocyst. Blastocysts have two parts, inner cell mass and tropoplast. Inner cell mass is inside, tropoplast is outside the part. Inner cell mass, its other name is embryoplast, that forms embryo. Trophoplast forms placenta. Next, implantation. Implantation is attachment and embedding of the blastocyst in the uterine wall is called as implantation. The site of implantation is endometrium of the uterus. Endometrium is inner layer of the uterus. It's the lining of the uterus. This process occurs 6 to 7 days after fertilization, completed by 10 to 12 days. Blastocyst falls in the uterus 2 to 3 days. Blastocyst becomes sticky and attached to the endometrium is known as deciduea. This deciduea is modified endometrium or uterine wall of the pregnant woman after implantation of blastocyst. It provides nutrition, protection and support to the developing embryo. Types of deciduea. Deciduea basalis, deciduea capillaris, deciduea fertilis or vera. First we can say about deciduea basalis. The part below the implanted embryo forms the maternal part of the placenta. Most important type in this implantation. Deciduea capsularis, the part of covering the embryo. Separate the embryo from uterine cavity. Later, this disappears as pregnancy grows. Deciduea vera or deciduea fertilis. Remaining lining of the uterus is called as deciduea fertilis. It's not directly involved in placenta. Blastocyst forms trophoplast form placenta. Inner cell mass form embryo. Next we can see about simple table of deciduea basalis, deciduea capsularis, deciduea fertilis. Deciduea basalis location is below embryo. Deciduea capsularis location is covers embryo. Deciduea fertilis location is rest of uterus. Deciduea basalis forms placenta. Deciduea capsularis protection of the embryo. Deciduea fertilis is lining support of embryo. This is about implantation. Next, gastrulation. Gastrulation is a process by which the blastocyst is converted into a trilaminar embryo by forming 3 germs layer. That is called as gastrulation. 3 germs layer: ectoderm, mesoderm, endoderm. Ectoderm is outer, mesoderm is middle layer, endoderm is inner. Ectoderm forms skin, nervous system. Skin, nails and hairs. Nervous system contain brain and spinal cord. Mesoderm forms muscles, bones and blood. heart and kidneys. Endoderms forms digestive and respiratory organs, liver and pancreas. This is about gastrulation. Next, organogenesis is a process by which the 3 germ cells develop into the organs or system is called as organogenesis. Cells, group of cell is called as tissues, group of tissues is called as organ, group of organ is called as system. This is way developing. Here, development of organs and system, that is called as organogenesis. Heart starts beating around 4th weeks of pregnancy. Next we can see about fetal development. From 9th week till birth, fetal development will occur. Growth and maturation of organs occur in 9th week to till birth. Birth after about 38 to 40 weeks, fully developed baby is born. This is about development of fertilized ovum.